Hello YouTube, today I've got an unboxing video. I've got Nerd Block, Juniors Girls and Juniors Boys, and Nerd Block, the Classic. So I'm going to do, in this video I'm going to do the Nerd Block Classic, and then I'm going to make a separate video today, so you're going to see me wearing the same shirt and stuff with the Nerd Block Juniors, because I'm going to do a comparison video on the new Nerd Block Juniors. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this. There we go. You all see the first look in the box? Okay, so it's got a card that shows what's in it. Okay, here's the shirt. It's a little bit big, but I ordered a small, and that's what I got, was a small. And this is Star Wars and Game of Thrones set is coming instead of winter is coming. So if you all can see that. It's like it's an olive looking green shirt. I like it. I will be wearing it. Okay, set this aside. Okay, so the next thing I got is cute. It's a little Star Wars plush. Okay, and then this thing, because I've already been watching videos because I couldn't wait. Mine was taking way too long to get here, and I was like, is it ever going to show up? So I went ahead. It's this is what it does. So it's the sticky pad. So it's called, it says it's a stick it pad. Okay, it's a stick it pack, or a stick it pad, and it does just that, stick. So yeah, decided to open this. I love Mario. Like, I love Mario. See, look, I've got my little, so cute. I love Mario. Love Mario. That didn't come in the box, by the way. That was just my own figurine. I just wanted to throw out there. Yoshi. Love Yoshi. Okay, but anyways, I'm going to open this now, and let's see what I got. It's a mystery. And I didn't even tell you what it was. It's a key ring, keychain. So, let's see. Oh. Okay. This is the one I got, a little mushroom guy on like a blue Yoshi. So can you see that? It's adorable. It's cute. That is adorable. Okay. The next thing I got is this Star Wars sticker sheets included. Boxos Paper Craft Playset. No scissors, no tape, no glue. Ready to assemble. So you make everything that's shown, and then it shows you on the back what they look like before you assemble them. So I think this is really neat. Personally, me, I mean, I'm going to do this because I got it and I'm going to put it together. But me, I'd rather had like another figurine or something, like an actual figurine. But anyways, this is fun. This is cool. I'll work with it. Okay, and the last thing that's in this box that I can see is this the Amazing Spider-Man first edition by Fan Expo. It's by Marvel and Fan Expo. So I'm not going to open it. I So all together in this nerd block, the adult nerd block, and this is May's nerd block. I got the Amazing Spider-Man comic book. I got a Star Wars paper craft, little Star Wars plush, a little stick-it pad, a little Mario's keychain, and then a t-shirt. So that's what I got in that box. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you.